but 6 months now, and I can boldly say I know Figma. I can design using Figma, and yeah, I'm really enjoying the app. Hello, I'm Diana Asamoah, a banking and finance graduate of the Whole Technical University. I'm a beneficiary of the Jesi-honed and Jesi Scholarship program, where I got the opportunity to train in product design. I want to learn. I honestly want to learn more. I want to evolve. I want to learn more than I know. Okay, so and tech provides that opportunity for me to learn new things, and also the rate at which the world is moving to the tech side, I saw this as an opportunity to get to know something aside what I already know. And the program of my choice helps me to design products that will help the community at large. Prior to the Jesi-honed and Jesi Scholarship program, I hadn't even used Figma before. In fact, I didn't even know there was an app called Figma. I honestly had no clue, talk less of what it can do. But 6 months now, and I can boldly say I know Figma. I can design using Figma, and yeah, I'm really enjoying the app. I didn't know product design had to do with a lot of research, research upon research. I only thought it was just about designing, okay, I've designed an app and that was it. But it entails a lot of research, and I had to learn about my users. I had to know what they want, what they need, designing the empathy map, user flow and all that. So it's been an eye-opener. I limited product design to just the designing aspect, but that wasn't all at all. You have to really understand your users so that you will not bring out a product that you think is good for them, but rather a product that the users will benefit from. I'll go for the UI aspect. That's because I like to play with colors, I like designing and all that. So I would rather choose the designing of the interface than maybe other aspects of product design. I'm so grateful for the opportunity. I can't even begin to say how much this has been impactful. Starting from the people I met, the chance to do group work with like-minded people who also want to learn something, and also the people that taught us, our mentors, they were so great. They took their time to really help us understand whatever we needed to, and they were always there to help us out. And I would really like to thank the Jesi-honed and Jesi Scholarship program. I think they've really helped the youth in whole, and I'm so grateful. Personally, I think I've learned a lot, and I can't wait to really try out what I've learned out there. Thank you.